In this video, we're going to talk about estimate quotient. Now, for estimate quotient, we only have two steps. First, we round each number, means we round the dividend and the divisor. Then we evaluate. Evaluate means solve, but in this case, since we have a division, we will divide it. Okay, let's start. For example, we have 95 divided by 17. First, we will round the numbers to the greatest place value that we have, which is tens here. Then we check on the right side, we have 5, so it should be round up. 9 will be 10, and the 5 will be 0, because when we round, the right side will be 0. Then divide by, same, we round it to the greatest place value. We have 7 on the right side. Since 7 is from the rich family, it will be round up, and 1 becomes 2. The 7, the right side will be 0. Now, when we have zeros in the dividend and the divisor, both of them, we will try to cancel. But cancel how many? We cancel that many that we have in the divisor. For example, here we have 1 0 in the divisor. We're gonna cancel that with 1 0 in the dividend. Now what's left to do is to divide. Remember, second step, evaluate means divide. Now we have 10. 10 divided by 2 will be 5. Okay, another example. Remember, same steps. You round the numbers, then you evaluate. Now, we will round them to the greatest place value first. Why am I saying first? Because sometimes we cannot divide when we round them, and I'm gonna show you what we will do if something like that happens. Now, I'm gonna round it to the greatest place value. So we have 1 on the right side, it will be round down, it will be 700. Divide by, same, we will round it to the 9. We have 1 on the right side, so it will be round down, it will be 90. Now, we have zeros in the divisor and the dividend, so we cancel 1 0 here and 1 0 here. Now what's left to do is to divide, but when we check, remember, in the estimate we cannot have remainders. 70 divided by 9, we cannot divide it without any remainders left. What does that mean? Means 70 is not a multiplication of 9. It's not a multiple of 9. We don't have a multiplication of 9 that's equal to 70. Since something like that happens, we will go back to the numbers again, but this time we will round it to the next digit. Look, here we round it to the hundreds place value. Now I'm gonna round the dividend to the tens place value, the next digit. It will be, we have 8 on the right side, so it will be round up. 7, the 1 becomes 2, and the 8 will be 0. Divide by, we don't round the divisor again, so we just write 90. Now, same thing, we'll cancel that 0 with that 0. What's left? 72 divided by 9. And 72 is a multiplication of 9, which is 9 times 8 is equal to 72. Then we say 72 divided by 9 is 8. Okay, another one. This time we still round it. We round it to that, so it will be 500, because we have 8 on the right side, so it will be round up, and this one will be 60. Then we cancel the zeros. I'm gonna cancel that one with that one. 50 divided by 6. Now, do we have any multiplication of 6 that's equal to 50? We don't. We only have 6 times 8, which is 48, and 6 times 9, which is 54. So we don't have 50. When something like that happens, just like the previous example, we will try to round the dividend to the next place value. We round it to the hundreds, but this time I'm gonna round it to the tens. So we check on the right side, we have 2. It will be round down. But remember, in the rounding, the left side stays the same. So the 4 stays the same. And the 8, since it's round down, stays the same. The 2 will be 0. Divide by 60. Now, same thing. We cancel the zeros. 48 divided by 6 is 8. Okay, I want you to pause the video and try to solve that one yourself, because I'm gonna solve it in 3, 2, 1. Now, we'll round the numbers to the greatest place value, which is the hundreds here. So it will be 100 because it's round down. Divide by, that one will be 20. Okay, now we round the numbers, we will evaluate it, we will solve it. This 0 will be cancelled with that 0. Now 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5.